Tiger nut milk is the next best thing after fura. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make tiger nut milk, which is a natural drink with amazing health benefits. Tiger nut improves digestion, it reduces blood sugar, it boosts immune system. Also, date heals digestive tract, provides bone strengthening minerals, natural energy booster, and it's also a remedy for sexual weakness. I used to eat dates and tiger nut as a kid because I was born in the north. I never knew it had any sexual benefits. Also, tiger nuts act as an aphrodisiac. To get your tiger nut looking this fresh, you have to soak the dried one for at least 24 to 48 hours. Please remember, you also need to wash it thoroughly. I'll also be adding some coconut. Coconut also improves digestion, it increases energy level, and it contains a lot of fibers. And then for our dates, you have to take out the seeds because you don't want them destroying your blender. It has a very hard seed. When opening your dates, please pay attention. Even when eating dates as a snack, always pay attention that you have to open it first, look inside to make sure it doesn't have any maggot before eating it. And then for our coconut, I'll just chop it into smaller sizes. This is my sieve. I'll need to wrap a net around it because this sieve actually have tiny holes and some of the chaff might be able to pass through it. So I had to improvise because I don't have the other sieve. I just used my net to wrap around it and that's it. Now it's time for me to blend. I'll just wash everything, put it in my blender, then you add the amount of water you want. After blending, you just sieve the whole thing out. You can also reblend, add some water and blend the chaff again just to get extra juice, you know. My sieve is very small, but it's okay. That's what I'm using. You can see I'm trying to be very careful so I won't get the chaff inside the drink. So we have our drink ready. It's time for us to taste. This drink is very sweet, so you don't need any sweetener. I have my glasses ready. Please don't ask me why I have 2 glasses. I'm an adult. I'm above 18 years. I'm kidding, guys. Anyways, cheers to whoever is watching this video. Cheers for subscribing. This drink tastes so good. Thank you guys for watching. See you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and stay beautiful.